Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show how to easily repair corrupted Windows 11 system files without formatting or data loss. If you ever encounter a file missing error on a Windows 11 PC, this video will help you solve that issue. There are 4 methods to solve this issue. The first method is to use Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and type the following command shown in this video. Now, SFC space, scan now. It scans any integrity violation if any violations are found. It will automatically repair it. Then again, type another command, DM space, /online space, /cleanup image space, /restore health. It will scan the Enter Windows file system if any errors are found. It will automatically repair the errors and restore the missing files. Please wait to complete the scanning and repairing process. It will take more than 10 minutes to complete. Please be patient. Second method. Open My PC and right-click on the primary drive where the Windows is installed. Here, in my case, it's C drive. Right-click and open Properties. Then click on the Tools tab. Then run the error checking function. IT will scan the drive and repair any errors if you have. Third method. Open Settings and click on the System tab. Then open Recovery Options. Here you can see an option named Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click the Reinstall button. Please connect to an active internet connection before starting the reinstalling process. Last step. Click Reset this PC button, then select the option Keep My Files and select either Cloud or Local Reinstall. If you have a USB bootable drive, then select the Local Reinstall. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.